Good morning, students. Today our topic is Y parameters. So these Y parameters also called as admittance parameters. Okay. So already we have discussed about two-port networks. So these two-port networks, two-port network classified into four categories. Already we discussed about these four categories. First one is the Z parameters. Okay, so first one is the Z parameters, and second one is the Y parameters, and third one is H parameters. Okay, so last one is the ABCD parameters. Okay, so these are the two-port network. Already we completed these Z parameters. So this is another topic, Y parameters, and also called as admittance parameters. Okay, this is one circuit. So linear circuit. This one is one circuit. So this 1 dash is the one terminal. So these are the first port. So this is the second port. Okay, why we call this two-port network? Two-port network. Port it explain about two terminals, two wires called as a port. So here 1 dash is the one port. So this is the one port, and 2 dash is the another port. Okay, so that this circuit contains two ports, so that it is called as a two-port network. Okay, na? So it contains two ports, so that it is called as a two-port network. So here here we will discuss about the Y parameters or admittance parameters. So here we should know the what is meant by Y parameter or admittance. Already we discussed about impedance. Impedance is nothing but it is similar to the resistance. The resistance in AC circuit is called as impedance. Here admittance is nothing but it is represented by Y. So reciprocal of impedance. Reciprocal of impedance is called as admittance. Okay, na? So reciprocal of impedance called as admittance. So actually it is similar to the conductivity. So in class we discussed so many times, lot of time we discussed about the conductance. So our conductivity nothing but reciprocal of resistance, reciprocal inverse of resistance called as a conductivity. So similarly this conductivity also called as a admittance. The conductivity in AC circuits is called as a admittance. Okay, here our first key point is so here admittance nothing but reciprocal of impedance called as a admittance. This is the first point. And second point is here I1 I2 these two currents are dependent parameters. These are the dependent parameters. These are the dependent parameters. Okay, so these are the dependent parameters, and V1 V2 are the independent parameters. Already we know that independent definition, just meaning dependent. I mean dependent nothing but these I1 I2 currents, two currents. Already we know that I1 is the input current. Okay, so input current we are giving current, so that it is input. So I2 is the output current. So here I1 I2 in the case of Y parameter, I1 I2 are the dependent parameters. Dependent parameters nothing but so these I1 I2 depends on other parameters, other constants. Okay, other characteristics of the circuit, so that these are called the dependent parameters. Just we know the dependent meaning. Similarly independent. So V1 V2 are does not. So these are not dependent on the other parameters, so that these are called as the independent parameter. So here we have to remember two key points, two main important points: admittance, reciprocal of impedance. I1 I2 are the dependent parameters, V1 V2 are the independent parameters. Okay, how we will write equations? So according to these two key points, we will write here equations I1 I2. Okay, I1 I2. So here first we write Y11 V1, Y12 V2. Similarly Y21. So here I2 2. So here start 2, so that Y21 V1 and Y22 V2. When we observe two equations, so I1 I2 dependent parameters, so that we write here I1 I2. So here V1 V2. So here we wrote four functions: Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22. Okay, these are the network functions. So these four functions called as a network functions, also called as a admittance parameters. Okay, so admittance parameters, or y parameters. Okay, na? We have to remember. So these 4 parameters called as admittance parameters or y parameters. Here our main aim is, our goal is we find out the values of all these 4 parameters. How we will find? Okay, first we take v2 is equal to 0. When v2 is equal to 0, this v2 substitute in this equation. Okay, na? So in these 2 equations, so then we get I1 is equal to y11 v1. So this v2 becomes 0. So we are substituting v2 0, so that this term becomes 0. So that finally we get I1 is equal to y11 into v1. So from this formula, here we will derive the value of y11. So y11 is equal to I1 by V1. Okay, so this is the value of first parameter. So here input current to input voltage. Okay, na? Input current to input voltage. So that it is called the input impedance, input to admittance. So this is called as input to admittance. Okay, so similarly this V2 substitute in. So this second equation. So this second equation, from this equation, we will get I2 is equal to y21 into V1. So from this value, y21 is equal to I2 by V1. Okay, so this is the second value. So this is called as a output current and input voltage. So okay, output current to input voltage. So that is called as a forward transfer admittance. Okay, so this is the second term. And when we substitute V1 is equal to 0, in 2 equations. So then we get from this equation I1 is equal to y12 V2. Okay, so from this value y12 is equal to I1 by V2. Okay, so this is the third equation. This is called as a reverse transfer impedance. Okay, so reverse transfer admittance. Okay, so this is the third one. And similarly, when we substitute V1 in second equation, from we get I2 is equal to y21 into V1. Okay, y22 into V2. So from this, why? Because this V1 becomes 0. So this V1 becomes 0, this term becomes 0, so that I2 is equal to y22 into V2. Okay, from this y22 is equal to I2 by V2. Okay, when we observe this term, output current, output voltage, so that it is called as a output admittance. Okay, so this is the information about the y. Very simple derivation part. First you have to draw this diagram. So input current, output current. Okay, so 1 dash 2 terminals. So input terminals. So 2 dash the output terminals. Okay, na? So here already we discussed 2 port networks, 4 categories. Already we have completed Z parameters. This is the second parameter. So here main 2 key points, 2 important points are the admittance. It is similar to the conductivity, opposite or reciprocal of resistance called as admittance, reciprocal of resistance called as the conductivity. Similar meaning in admittance is equal to reciprocal impedance. Okay, here second key point is I1, I2. So these two I1, I2 are these I1 are the dependent parameters, V1, V2 the independent parameters. So according to these 2 key points, we have to write 2 equations. I1, I2 dependent parameters, so that when we observe 2 equations, I1 is depends in these terms. Okay, so that it is called the dependent parameters. Okay, I2, V1, V2, V1, V2, Y11. So here 1 starts, so that Y11, Y12. So 2 starts, so that Y21, Y2. Just another step is just we substitute V2 is equal to 0. Then we get 2 formulas. Okay, Y11 and Y21. When we substitute V1 is equal to 0, y12 and y22. Okay, na? So this is the information about the y parameters. Okay, thank you.